Have we been searching for intelligent life in the wrong place all along? While the hunt for extraterrestrials in the vastness of space continues, a growing number of scientists and theorists suggest we should shift our gaze not outward, but inward, to other dimensions. This theory suggests that creatures from parallel worlds known as ultra-terrestrials may already be living among us just beyond the veil of reality as we know it. The concept of parallel dimensions is rooted in advanced theories of particle physics, such as string theory. Unlike the standard model of physics, where particles are seen as tiny dots, string theory suggests that particles are, in fact, vibrating strings. For this to hold true, there must be more than the four dimensions we are familiar with: length, width, depth, and time. Some physicists speculate there could be 10 or even more dimensions, offering spaces where entire universes could exist. But what would life in these parallel dimensions look like? Could these ultra-terrestrial beings have completely different physical laws, abilities, and forms? Legendary ufologist John Keel believed that these beings have been influencing our world for millennia, not as aliens from space, but as shape-shifting entities from other dimensions. According to his theory, the creatures found in folklore, demons, fairies, and changelings, may all be manifestations of ultra-terrestrials. Keel's theory, which draws on both modern physics and ancient myths, suggests that these beings have mastered the ability to traverse dimensions. Whether through natural or technological means, they can enter our world, taking on various forms and influencing human culture. Folklore from around the world may, in fact, be recounting the interactions between humanity and ultra-terrestrials throughout history, from angels and monsters to spirits and tricksters. But how do these beings shift between dimensions? One theory points to magnetic anomalies and other distortions in the fabric of reality that act as gateways. These so-called thin places could allow ultra-terrestrials to materialize and interact with us. Keel also speculated that their motives were not always clear, suggesting they might be manipulating mankind for reasons we can't yet understand, perhaps testing, guiding, or merely playing with us. The idea of intelligent beings from parallel dimensions challenges our understanding of reality. It's not just a matter of extraterrestrial life in the cosmos, but the possibility that entire civilizations, completely different from anything we know, could be right next to us, unseen, yet capable of interacting with us in ways we barely comprehend. This raises questions. Are they benevolent guides or tricksters? Or are they simply indifferent to human affairs? Interestingly, modern particle physics and theories like the multiverse lend credibility to the idea of multiple dimensions. The math behind string theory suggests that the universe we see is only a small part of what truly exists. With more dimensions, there could be entirely different sets of physical laws governing them, making ultra-terrestrials plausible in ways we might not have imagined before. Imagine a dimension where the Big Bang never occurred, or where time flows differently. In such realities, beings might evolve under circumstances unimaginable to us. Would we recognize such creatures if they entered our dimension? Perhaps they've already done so, and the encounters with strange, otherworldly entities in history were actually glimpses of life forms from these parallel worlds. But what's the ultimate purpose of these ultra-terrestrials visiting our dimension? Keel proposed that they might have a sense of right and wrong, and that they've manipulated us for reasons beyond our comprehension. Perhaps they see us as experiments or as children in need of guidance. Or maybe their motives are more playful or sinister, involving mind games, deception, or influence over our development as a species. As mind-bending as it sounds, the theory of ultra-terrestrials fits into the broader search for answers about the unknown. While we continue to explore the universe for extraterrestrial life, the idea that intelligent beings could exist in parallel dimensions right beside us remains compelling. It may also explain why our search for aliens in the cosmos has come up empty, because the real answers could be hiding in dimensions we've yet to understand. So where does that leave us? Could it be that the strange phenomena we've encountered throughout history, UFO sightings, mysterious creatures, and supernatural events, are all manifestations of ultra-terrestrials? If Keel's theories hold any truth, it could completely reshape our understanding of intelligent life, shifting the focus from outer space to the many layers of reality that surround us. The world of ultra-terrestrials and parallel dimensions remains largely unexplored. While the scientific community continues to grapple with the implications of particle physics and string theory, the possibility that we are not alone, whether in space or within other dimensions, remains an exciting frontier. Could creatures from these alternate realities be walking among us right now? The answer may lie just beyond the dimensions we can perceive.